Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We hear a lot of scary headlines these days about AI taking our jobs. It's a valid concern, but today I want to flip the script. Instead of focusing on what we might lose, let's talk about what we're gaining. The AI revolution isn't just about automation, it's about creation. It's creating entirely new job categories that didn't exist even a few years ago. So, are you ready to future-proof your career? Let us dive into the exciting new world of AI jobs and the skills you'll need to thrive in it. First up, let's talk about the AI whisperer, or more formally, the prompt engineer. This job is all about communication, but not with people with AI. A prompt engineer crafts the perfect questions and instructions to get the most accurate, creative, and useful responses from AI models like ChatGPT or Midjourney. It's a blend of art and science. You need to understand the AI's logic, but also have a creative spark to guide it. Think of yourself as a director, and the AI is your star actor. This role is crucial because the quality of AI output depends entirely on the quality of the input. Next, we have the AI ethicist and governance specialist. As AI becomes more powerful, we need a rulebook. These professionals are the ones writing it. They tackle the tough questions. How do we prevent bias in AI algorithms? How do we ensure AI is used responsibly? They work with companies and governments to create frameworks that protect people and ensure fairness. If you have a background in philosophy, law, or social sciences, and a passion for technology, this could be your calling. It's about building a future where AI serves humanity in a just and equitable way. Then there's the AI trainer or machine learning specialist. AI models aren't born smart, they have to be taught. AI trainers are the teachers. They feed AI systems vast amounts of data, label it, and fine-tune the models to improve their performance. Imagine teaching a robot to recognize a cat. You'd show it thousands of cat pictures. That's what AI trainers do, but for much more complex tasks. This role requires patience, attention to detail, and a good understanding of the data you're working with. It's a foundational job that makes all the advanced AI applications possible. Another fascinating new role is the AI-assisted healthcare technician. In medicine, AI is becoming a powerful diagnostic tool. It can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to spot diseases earlier and more accurately than the human eye. But it's not a replacement for doctors. Instead, it creates a new role for technicians who manage these AI systems. Prepare the data for analysis and work alongside doctors to interpret the results. This collaboration between human expertise and AI precision is revolutionizing patient care and saving lives. So, with all these new jobs popping up, what skills should you be focusing on? The first one is adaptability. The AI landscape is changing at lightning speed. The ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn will be your greatest asset. What's cutting edge today might be standard tomorrow. Embrace a mindset of lifelong learning. Second, cultivate your human-centric skills. I'm talking about creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. AI is great at processing data and finding patterns, but it can't replicate human ingenuity or empathy. The jobs of the future will be the ones that require these uniquely human traits. Think about how you can work with AI, using it as a tool to amplify your own creativity and strategic thinking. Third, develop data literacy. You don't need to be a PhD in computer science, but understanding the basics of how data is collected, interpreted, and used will be essential in almost every field. Knowing how to ask the right questions about data and spot potential biases will make you an invaluable part of any team. And finally, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Play with AI tools. There are so many free and low-cost platforms available now. Use ChatGPT to help you write an email. Use an AI image generator to create some fun art. The more you interact with these technologies, the more comfortable and intuitive they will become. Practical experience is the best teacher. The future is a collaboration between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, and there's a place for you in it. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this gave you a more optimistic and empowering perspective on the future of work. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content.